Hey, what's up, you guys? Happy New Year. I'm just showing you guys a quick video on how I install these clip-ins that I wear. I'm going to be using 3 pieces in the back. So right now I am showing you guys how I add parts and install this first piece. I should probably be using some other clips to just hold the hair, but this is how I do it. I don't need any extra assistance, just to put these in my hair. If you do it. If so, if you need to, whatever works for you. I know I know I need to get my ends clipped ASAP, but I just took off my wig and I tried to do some braids, some patch and twist, and it just didn't work out. So this is my go-to style. So I always get a lot of compliments and just wanted to show you guys because it's a very natural looking clip-ins that I use on my 4B. It's like 4B type hair, blown out type hair. And I flat ironed it on low heat just to straighten out my ends. So this is how it looks right now. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the top portion of my hair, how I install the front. Now, front part of my hair is in need of a 911 emergency. I don't know what I've been doing, but yeah, please don't beg. Please have mercy on me on my broke off hair in the front. But I'm going to be using a couple of more pieces in the front to get this fuller look because I have some broke off parts in my hair from my leave out. So I'm going to be installing this first one. I believe that's like 2 clips right there. And I'm going to be installing another part right there. So when I install these pieces, you don't have to have like perfect parts. You know, if you prefer to have it that way, it's okay. But, you know, for the style that I'm going for, it's kind of like messy, natural looking a style. So it kind of like an effortless style. So people majority of the time think it's my natural hair because of how it just looks. But if you want to go for go for whatever look that you are going for. If you want it neat, if you want neat parts, you can definitely do so. Whatever floats your boat. But yeah, I'm just installing these other pieces in there right now. And this is how it looks. And I want to smooth this out into a top part ponytail. This applies some oil so my hair won't be so dry. It's the winter time and we know our hair is super dry at this time of the year. So I just want to make sure that I apply some oil to give it some shine and to kind of, what am I doing? Fixing that part. I need another clip in. Yep. To add a little more fullness to the look that I'm going for. So I'm just smoothing that out and putting this in a ponytail, a rubber band. I know I should be using something else or oiling it so it won't snag my hair, but this is just working for me right now. It's an emergency style since I just took off my wig and just going for another look until I find out what next style I want to use. The spray that I just applied was some Tresemme holding spray. Just to smooth out my hair. I didn't want to put any gel in my hair for the look that I was going for. So I do use a Tresemme holding spray. And that is my curling wand that I am about to do to give myself some nice little waves, some curling wand waves. And there's so many tutorials online, so you guys probably already know how to wand your hair. So this is how I kind of put those wand curls in. I was jamming to some, what was that? What's his name? What's that guy name? I don't know. Some guy. I'm getting old, guys. I don't know. Some rap artist. I don't know. But anywho, this is how I'm wanding my hair. The guy that goes with that used to go with what's her name? I don't know. Anyway, this is how I'm wanding my hair curls. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, I'm just showing you guys my hair. Wanding it. I'm not sure why my hair wasn't holding how it typically holds. Maybe because I kind of use this this heat protective spray that probably, I don't know, weighed my hair down. I'm not sure, but it usually has a different, a tighter curl to it. Not sure. But yeah, this is the look that it's going to give me right now. So I'm just going to go along with it. And I put flexi rods on my hair at the end of the day to kind of hold my curls. But just wanted to show you guys this look and jamming out to some music. Woo woo. Oh yeah. So this is how I'm looking right now. I'm just kind of speeding through these curls. I was going out to go watch a game later on that evening, a couple of hours later. So this is, I'm kind of just like rushing through it to kind of get me out. But this is how it looks right now. So, ooh, ooh, look at me. Hey, hey, get it. So I tried to redo. Remember I said like my curls are kind of limp. So I'm kind of trying to redo it to kind of get some more to it. But yeah, this is just still, I'm not sure what's going on. This is how it's just looking right now. So just going along with it, just trying to rewind my hair. I think more than likely it was that spray that I used when I blown out my hair that weighed my hair down. And I typically use this, is it 3/4 centimeters curling around from the Breeze White Store? But yeah, this is how it looks right now. Give me some nice waves. Don't mind my bitty bees in the back. But this is how it blends in with my hair. And yes, this is the look I was going for. This is my like go-to look if I'm like in between styles. I flexi ride it at the end of the night. Just want to show you guys this quick video and hope you guys enjoy. All right, bye.